First of all, a fresh approach to functionality, premiumness, sustainability, and desirability. So let's just start with a fresh approach to functionality. Of course, Land Rovers are renowned for their functionality, from their optimization of interior stowage to the reconfigurability of seating. But what we intend to do in the future is apply a more sophisticated approach, one that's more tactile, more innovative, and more relevant and tailored to the changing lifestyles of our customers. Look at LRX, and you will see that it oozes premiumness. In fact, premiumness is the next element. If you've noticed here at the show over the last few years, we've seen the level of quality and premiumness rise dramatically. We're now seeing mobile phone levels of precision on car interiors. We're seeing jewel-like quality on exterior lighting. So, what's Land Rover's approach going to be? And we actually call it perceived quality. And for us, it's about several elements. It's about design quality, it's about material quality, and it's about build quality. And it's about the precise application of these elements that give you an overall emotional quality. And as I say, when you look at the LRX, it oozes that premiumness which is accentuated by precision, precision, precision. And when you get a chance to look inside of this vehicle, have a look at the interior, look at the articulation of the seating, look at the way the rear tailgate operates. The next one is sustainability. In the future, our customers will become increasingly more mindful of sustainability. They will demand that our designers and engineers are more responsible in the way we develop our vehicles. So, how will Land Rover respond to that? We will respond by developing the correct technical solutions that still maintain the essence of our brand. And Phil's going to talk more about that in a few moments. Having said that, our vehicles will become lighter. They will use more sustainable materials. Another important aspect is size perception. And when you look at the LRX, the first thing you notice about it is its size. It's a small Land Rover. It's very compact. Having said that, it still has that overall visual robustness you'd expect to see from a Land Rover, but without it being overtly aggressive. Finally, and arguably most importantly, desirability. Great design is the gateway to customer desirability. It's about making that emotional connection. And when you look at the LRX, look at that sense of drama which is created by this distinctive falling roof line and this very dramatic belt line. Look at its sense of premiumness that is created by its very sophisticated surfaces that are accentuated by very precise detailing. And of course, look at that sense of purpose that is created by that very solid stance and that robustness that says it's a Land Rover. It couldn't be anything else. It's new, it's different, and it's relevant. Ladies and gentlemen, the LRX is a bold evolution of a rich design language. I believe that it is absolutely the right direction for Land Rover, and it's a tribute to the design team that created it. And if we decide to put this concept into production, our designers and engineers will be passionate about creating a vehicle that looks very similar to the concept that you're looking at here today. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thanks, Jerry. Ladies and gentlemen, as Jerry has said, sustainable technologies will be a key feature of all new Land Rovers. With this in mind, the technologies featured in the LRX are being developed to work across our whole product range. The LRX has the potential to be powered by a 2-litre diesel hybrid engine. Combined fuel economy is targeted to achieve over 50 miles per US gallon, with CO2 emissions of 120 grams per kilometre, which for the British amongst you means it will be exempt from London's congestion charge. While most hybrid SUVs offer less off-road ability than gasoline equivalents, and at least one carries a do not go off-road warning, the LRX's off-road ability will actually be improved. The LRX uses integrated electric rear axle drive, ERAD for short, that improves both urban consumption and off-road capability. Sited in the centre of the rear axle, it allows for electric-only drive up to 20 miles per hour. An integrated starter-generator system also automatically switches off the diesel engine when it's not needed, such as when electric power is used or when the vehicle's stationary. But it's also very good when the road turns rough. ERAD provides additional electric torque to all four wheels. It supplements, not replaces, mechanical power off-road. So it's a very Land Rover solution. Greater fuel economy and greater sustainability, especially if you're using plant-based biodiesel. Yet greater off-road and on-road ability. No compromise for the customer, better for the environment. A win-win solution from Land Rover. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like the LRX. I'm very proud of it. On our 60th anniversary, it opens a brand new chapter on our next 60 years. Thanks for being with us here today. In a few moments, please join us on the stand and take a closer look. Thank you.